businesses use to compete citywide. In 2025, the winners are hyperlocal. If you want customers from your block, your zip, your street, you need hyperlocal marketing. Today, we'll discuss how to dominate your immediate area with geo-targeted strategies that really work. Smartphones track your location. Search engines prioritize relevance by proximity. And consumer expectations are shifting, people want nearby, instant solutions. If you aren't showing up in your neighborhood, your competitors will. Start with geo-targeted ads shown only to users within specified radius, zip codes, or neighborhoods. Use location extensions, callouts, and regional messaging. Then layer in local SEO, optimizing your Google business profile, local citations, neighborhood keywords, e.g. plumber in Coral Springs, and schema for local signals. Your content should speak to your area. Cover neighborhood news, events, testimonials from local clients. On social media, use hashtags and geotags, city, local parks, landmarks. Encourage reviews from locals. These amplify local relevance. Track performance by zone. Use heat maps, conversion tracking per zip, and budget adjustments per area. Scale from one neighborhood to many by replicating what works. Always test and optimize as you roll out. At Local Management, we build hyperlocal campaigns tailored to your city, neighborhood, or franchise model. We combine our SEO, ad, content, and social expertise to deliver real, nearby customers, not just clicks. If you're ready to dominate your local market, schedule a call with us. Let's make your neighborhood your strongest market.